Okay, kids, so now we are going to play a field game, okay? A field game, we are going to use colors, the paint down to fill in the color in the circle, okay? You can see some pictures. So now I'm going to say the name of the picture and you will listen if you hear the sound E in the beginning. Remember, we've done the beginning, middle, and ending sound, right? So when you listen and you hear the sound E in the beginning, we are going to get a color here and paint the circle. The first picture is a spider. When I say spider, did I make the sound E in the beginning? Spider. No, I did not make the sound E. I made the sound S. So do we paint the circle? No, we paint the circle only when we hear E in the beginning sound. The next picture we have an ink. 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 When I say ink, did you hear the sound E in ink? E, ink. E, ink. Very good. So we hear the sound E in the beginning. We are going to paint the circle. So I'm going to take a color. Let's take red and paint the circle. Very good. The next we have igloo. 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 We are going to be making an igloo house for our crafts for the sound E. Okay? You're going to see the igloo house. Remember, the igloo house is white in color. Okay? Now, when I say igloo, igloo, did you hear the sound E in igloo? Let's say the sounds and see. E, G, L, U. So the sound E is in the beginning in the word igloo. So let's get the paint and paint the circle. Let's take orange. Very good. The next picture, can you see a boy? The boy is ill. Ill. He's sick. So he's ill. When I say ill, ill, did you hear the sound E in the beginning? E, L. Only two sounds in ill. E, L. Okay? Where we have the sound like this, E, L. Where we have two sounds that are the same, we say the sounds only once. We don't say E, L, L. No. We say E and L. E, L. So we have only two sounds. And we have the sound E in the beginning. So we have to color the circle. Let's take green or blue. Yeah. Now, the next picture, we have the ant. Ant. When I say ant, did you hear the sound E in the beginning? Let's say the sounds in ant and find out. Ant. Did I say E in the beginning? No, I said A. So do we color the circle? No. The next we have a map. It's a map of the country India. 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 Did you hear the sound E in India? Yes, it's in the beginning. E, N, D. Yeah. So let's paint the circle green. Good job. And the last picture, we have the tent. Tent. When I say tent, did you hear the sound E in tent? T, E, N, T. Did you hear the sound E in the beginning? No. So do we paint the circle? No. So we have E in the word ink. We have E in the word igloo. We have E in the word ill. And we have E in the word India. Very good. Now we are going to move to blending.